So here's the cones ready to go. This is the cone section here that was done from scratch at our shop, and this one here was already pre-formed. And what's going on is it's sitting higher, but if you look at the issue is this, where it was pre-formed, it's sitting on the tips here. So you've got to almost let's see here, yeah, easily 5/8 of an inch, maybe more here. That drops. This will drop that down. We'll drop this down as well. And the height, for example, the one that was done from scratch at Variform here, this one here, the height, the width, and the diameters on both ends is exactly dead on. This one here is high because of those tips you can see here as well. You see how here it's sitting right on that tip there. So if that can be knocked out with a sledgehammer, you can take a sledgehammer and knock this out. It's a bit of work, but when you take a sledgehammer to outside of a bend, it releases the tensions in that bend, so that can address some of it. So we did was we formed the cone to the right length this way, and the diameter as well. But the tips are overformed here. I know you wanted us to form it here, but that'll only make it worse. You have to really knock it out here. I think you can see my guys are already trying to knock it out for you, but that's just labor that I would recommend you do over at your shop. There's no point in paying my overhead for fellows using sledgehammers on this. So just use a sledgehammer on this zone here on this one to knock that out. All right. So I just want to show you too. So we made templates for this. So this template here goes on the inside. We'll give that to you. You'll have that to check that. These three faces fit on the inside of the curve, and then this sits on the top. So you can verify the diameter. This is a quarter section, exactly the same concept. This one fits on the inside with this edge flush with the outside, okay? Flush right here with the outside. And that's how Danny, sorry, not the outside, sorry, the inside edge, not this edge, but the one that's on the, if it was a dotted line here. All right, so we'll give you that and this. And then when we made a marking template over here as well. And that, let's see here, show you. So the inside bends are marked here on our plasma, and then the outside two templates are these ones here. There's two of them they used. The reason there's two because we used a long line, short line, long line, short line in order to make sure that the fellows did not overlap by accident. You know, they didn't go from let's say this bend to the one over. Okay, so I hope that all makes sense. So we got these templates here. You don't need them anymore, but you can have them. And then the actual quality control templates, which are on that table with the cones. All right, great. Thank you.